Subject Physical Education for Class 12th, Unit 5, Children and Women in Sports. In this chapter, today we will focus on the topic participation of women in sports in India. So in this topic, we will discuss about the sports participation of women in India. As you know, women's participation in sports has a long history. It has been understood the man is for market and woman is for the home and family. In the ancient time, the society has divided, but also one field with major accomplishment by female athletes. In the past, it was often argued that sports were harmful to women's health, particularly their reproductive health. In ancient time, in the ancient Olympic Games, women were not allowed to participate, but in modern Olympic Games, female has been active member except in first modern Olympic game in 1896. In 1916, the Amateur Athletic Union conducted the first Women World Championship in London. Later, International Olympic Committee (IOC) designed and altered the rules and regulations of various games to encourage the participation of female athlete. Thus, the categories of female has increased and male are separate for all games and sports. Today, the modern society has accepted the women's participation in sports competitions and it has risen to a great extent to compare in the past. Modern clinical studies have proved that physical activities have benefited the health of women and it has also benefited the society to great extent. According to IOC data, the women participation at London Olympic Games has risen to 45% of all athletes. In Rio Olympic Games 2016, it rose to 45.2% of all athletes. In urban areas, female participation in sports is high, whereas it was less in rural areas. Indian society should encourage the participation. Moreover, government should form policies to improve their participation. Today, Indian society has recognized many of Indian sports women which are playing the role model and they are challenging trends of women participation in games and sports. Some of top women's athletes from India who have proved their sports ability at international arena, just like that PT Usha, PV Sandhu, Mary Kom in boxing. They are some female athlete, those who has a great honor in a sports field. In London Olympic, Saina Nehwal won bronze medal in badminton in the women's single, whereas Mary Kom also won bronze medal in boxing. In Rio Olympics, PV Sandhu won silver medal and Sakshi Malik was won silver medal in badminton and wrestling respectively. So these are the most countable contribution of women or Indian women in the field of sports or games. So, on the behalf of that, we have to know about the sports participation of women in India. Thank you.